My friends, welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen, and attention, yes everyone, you attention, all grilled cheese lovers. April is National Grilled Cheese Month. So I have partnered with National Dairy Council to share with you 3 delicious and new grilled cheese sandwiches that not only are delicious, but the ingredients are good for you. Now, I love grilled cheese sandwiches, and I don't only eat them for breakfast, I eat them for lunch and dinner as well. Cheese provides high quality protein that can help you feel fuller and also give you energy. And also cheese provides a good source of calcium, iodine, B12, and phosphorus. Also, hard cheeses like cheddar have less lactose. This is perfect for those people who experience lactose intolerance like I do. Are you ready? Let's get cooking, my friends. So now for my first grilled cheese sandwich, I am gonna make my fancy grilled cheese sandwich. For that, I use a baguette bread 4 inches in size, and I will add here sautéed onions. Love it, because sautéed onions brings a sweetness to it. Caramelized onions always are great. Now, then we're gonna add, arugula has a delicious flavor, and for that, we're gonna use a white cheddar. My next one is grilled cheese with ham, spinach, and tomato. As you can see how easy it is to add fruits and vegetables to delicious dishes like grilled cheese sandwiches. Not only now you're having good high quality protein and nutrition from dairy, but we're adding fiber by adding fruits and vegetables. For my third sandwich, I'm combining savory and sweet. So I am making apple grilled cheese with mozzarella and cheddar cheese sandwich. All right, now the best part, the taste. Which one should I taste? Because I'm feeling a little fancy today, I'm gonna go for the fancy grilled cheese sandwich. Amazing. This is so good. You are gonna simply love these sandwiches. So now it is your turn to make my grilled cheese sandwiches this month and beyond. Now, for more information about the health benefits of dairy and recipes, visit usdairy.com. If you want to know more about myself, my articles, my books, my videos, my recipes, you name it, visit Villacorta.com. Also now I offer one-on-one coaching for those that need nutrition coaching and weight loss. All you need to do is go to my website and schedule a free 20-minute consultation so that I can hear your needs and tell you how I'm gonna help you. I hope you have enjoyed today's show, and until next time, my friends, salud.